Hello again. It is Dawn with For Grace Creations. Welcome. Could I ask you a favor? Could you click like really quick? Now, we need to start with our scripture card of the day. Let's see. I think we already did that one. Okay. Psalm 144, verse 15. Happy are the people whose God is the Lord. Today's Bible verse. I got a new cutter because my old one actually fell apart. I got it at a garage sale for $3. It lasted me quite a while. But I have something to take care of with this. I am overran by jelly prints, and I need to cut some down for this July postcard play. As well as, because I have so many, I thought I'd share with you. So I'm going to work on cutting them down to a more manageable size. And then I'm going to put some bundles together and I'll get them up in my Ko-fi site so that if you want some, you can snag them and I will mail them to you. You also could email me if you want some. Either way, just let me know. I will put my email down in the description box as well. So let's set the cutter aside. Oh, here is my big folder full. I just feel so unorganized, and I needed to do something with this. When I open it up, this here, I did not make this. Oh, the fabulous Louisa Heinzel. She did. And at one point in time, she had scrap packs in her shop to purchase, and I grabbed one because if you know me, you know I love having a little bit of someone else's art to play with. And I'm not going to lie, I'm hoarding this. I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm just hanging on to it. I do that with a few things. So yeah, that is going to be set aside because we are not doing anything with that. Now, I didn't make this either, nor did I make this one. They were done on the jelly plate. But one of my scrappy 8 friends sent it to me. So these two are being saved. So here is one that I did do. I'm actually going to set this off to the side. But I think I'm going to cut it in half. Let's just do that. First time with a new cutter. I'm thinking right about there. Yeah, so that's more manageable. And if I want to put them in the paper packs, it's a more manageable size for somebody else as well. Okay, we've got, I'm going to keep that one. This is really thick card. I'm not sure what it is, but that one will be in a pack. Ooh, I'm going to keep that one. I'll keep that one. That's a maybe. Okay. This one's cute. It does have a little piece missing. I'll go ahead and keep that. I think... Do I cut this one down or leave it? I think I'll leave this, and this the size they are. And then I think I'll go ahead and cut this one in half. Yeah, and those can be put into a pack. And I'm going to cut this one in half. And that one I'm willing to part with. Now, I know it sounds silly, but I'm having a hard time deciding if I'm going to part with this. I know it needs more, but it could be great for collaging or for using on the jelly plate as a base and just adding more, or even just stamping on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one in the giveaway pile and one to keep. And, you know, I will go ahead and put that in the giveaway pile, even though I love it. Here's another one. I cannot decide if I want to keep or not, so I'm going to cut it in half. And again, I'm just eyeballing. I'm not exactly going half. And we need to pull that down. So do you guys make things with a jelly plate or no? That would be interesting to know. Okay, we're going to cut that one in the middle. I love these colors as well. This was part of a long haul. I don't know if you can tell or not, but yeah. And then that one's already cut down. Fabulous colors. That was part of a long haul. This is on tracing paper. And, oh, we'll go ahead and cut that in half, if I can. Okay. This here is my package of it needs something more. And what I mean is, if you look, it needs more jelly plate, more stamping. That's a brayer off sheet. I guess you know what I could do. Grab the scissors and just cut that piece off, and maybe like that. And then I could put that in my giveaway pile. Somebody could play with that, but this needs more. There's like nothing on it. And then that could be part of the giveaway pile. And you see, that's a shiny silver metallic. It just needs a little something more. It could be anything. A big stamp. It could be torn apart and used as collage. But yeah, it just needs a little something. And so does that. And those beautiful colors. You know, I'll let somebody else play with that one and I'll keep this one. And this one is just some fun browns. And then, wait, let me put these back in here. And so that one needs a little something, but I think what I'll do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that in half and let someone else play with it. And then we have this one. And we'll do the same thing. See, I don't need to hoard these, right? Share. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I love those colors, but it kind of, to me, it just kind of needs something. However, someone else may disagree and think that would make a perfect pocket in a journal or something. So I'll just trim it down. Better, manageable size. We'll get rid of that. And then there's this one. And I'm going to keep this and do something with it. Okay. What do we got? Oh, I need to put the pile that's my stuff over here. Okay. We've got this. I thought that would make beautiful collage fodder. And there is some texture in that. Okay. This is a wet, it's a tissue paper that you can get wet. And I'm thinking, let's cut that in half and share it. And we have that little piece that is very similar to that little piece. So I think we'll share that one. And share that one, and I'll keep this. And then we have this one, and I think it needs a little more. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that. And then how fun is this? Isn't that a really cool print? But again, it's a wonky kind of shape. So I'll put them both over there. And we have that. And isn't that cool? So I think what I'll do with this one is, again, cut it. I'll share that piece and keep this one. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Yeah. So in these packs, you might get some stray random small pieces. You just never know. That, to me, really just needs more, you know? So I'll keep that. Add to it. Look at that. That is so cool. Now I am going to cut it in half. And put it in the to share pile. And that's fun. Look at that. Amazing. So we'll cut this one in half. And we have a little fun piece here. And here. Isn't that neat? I might keep that one. Add to it a little bit. And then this is cool. I'll cut that in half. There, I mean, I have a huge stack, guys. Like, okay, so I just recently made that one with some fabulous stamps, phone stamps from PM Artist Studio. And we'll go ahead and share that. And then I was just screwing around with new colors. I don't know, there is something about these colors together that I think are fabulous. I don't mind sharing. So I think what I will go ahead and do is cut it in half. I'll share the bigger half and keep the smaller one. And then this is kind of just simple, but very fun on some Edith Holden book page. We'll go ahead and put the whole thing over there. Someone will get that. And then there's this. I just adore these fun circles. And so I will cut it in half, share half, and keep half. This one, I'm keeping the whole thing because I am actually going to use this, fold it in half, and I'm going to use it as a journal page in one of my journals. And then, I mean, I've got quite a bit to go through. Okay, this one's on tracing paper, and I thought that would be fun to use as a gigantic pocket. Just cut it out. All right, here's another one that I really am going to use in a journal. A full page. And this is so cool. Can you see the script in that? We'll go ahead and cut this on here at just over 5.5, so it is exactly in half, and share those. And then, how fun is this? Can you see there's a few prints in there, and one of them on top is like this, oh, metallic. So we'll go ahead and share that. We have that one, and I'm actually going to keep that because I want to get that stencil out and try this in different colors. And then I may add some to these packs. Now just keep in mind, everybody's going to get something a little different. Some yellow and oranges, so we could share those. Oh, there's another fun one of those, full sheet, another one. Oh, that's cool. Purples, that'll go in. Oh, it's so fun to see the little tiny details and everything. And then I have these pieces from mass making those journals, the journal covers. So I think I will go ahead and add those in just for fun as well. I gotta keep going. I've got more. So I shall see you all later. Just know that I'm thinking about you and getting this done so that I can share. And let's be real, because some of what I kept, I'm going to need to use for more hashtag July postcard play. Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for being here, you guys. I really, really appreciate you. I will see you later. God bless. Bye-bye.